My name is Kyle Miraz. I'm with the Joshua Tree National Park Trail Crew. We're using some tools like rock saws, and that can kick up a lot of dust and debris into the air. What we do is use a respirator system, either a closed mouth tight fitting around the face or a hood that goes over our entire heads to filter the dust. We make sure that we have earplugs or earmuffs. We also like to make sure that we have protective eyewear. The gloves protect our hands from the sharp edges of the granite when it's been freshly split. Let's say we've laid out a 5x4 section of stone that we've just split away from those really large boulders. We'll measure out the most usable piece of rock that we can obtain. We'll trace a line with a crayon or a marker, and we'll set ourselves up with our rock saw and run the rock saw along that line that we've just traced out. And then once that's established, for every mark that we have, we'll roll the rock and we'll just continue that cut with the rock saw all the way down till we have at least 3 sides cut on that rock with the rock saw. At that point in time, we'll take our hand wedge again, or our splitting wedge, and drive that into the kerf of the cut that we've just made, and we'll tap it until it splits open. Before we get ready to ship all the material to the job site, any sort of excess rock that was left over, let's say we didn't get a super clean cut, some bulbs were left on the inside, we'll take our point chisel or our bullnose chisel, lightly tap into that rock to free the last of that bulbous rock that's left, creating a cleaner surface so that when we go to lay these rocks, it's much easier for us and we can just get a nice high outside contact for all of our rocks.